Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am drawing a beautiful face of girl. I love drawing and painting so much. You can try to draw with me. Drawing is a beautiful art form that can capture the world around us in a unique and expressive way. It's a way of communicating ideas, emotions, and without words, and it can be enjoyed by people of all ages and skill levels. There is something magical about the way a simple pencil or a piece of charcoal can transform a black piece of paper into a whole new world. She likes a ray of sunshine, brightening warmth wherever she goes. Her smile is as bright as the moon sun, lighting up the room with its radiance. Her eyes are like pools of liquid chocolate, deep and inviting. Her hairs, her hair flows like a cascade of silk, framing her face in a soft halo when she laughs. It's like the thinking of bells filling the air with joy. Thank you so much you watching my video. If you like my video, then like and share it, and also subscribe my channel. Thank you.